fire and warrenate to land upon a peacefully soft door. And that white flag he threw led him to run forevermore. He's such long and hard on looking on, trying to find some destiny. Young Adam searched this lonely land, looking for a place to be free. Oh, thousands of years went by, found so many different ways to think. We searched far away in life in a place where love was distinct. I see finding home seemed pretty hard, most seem to live within their heads. But in the end I'm sure you'll find that home is where the heart finds truth.